Hi. Okay, so I haven't done a cover of One Direction yet, even though they're my favorite band, one of my favorite bands. I did 5 Seconds of Summer, Little Mix, and yeah. So I'm gonna be singing "Story of My Life" by One Direction. Subscribe. Written in these walls are the stories that I can't explain. I leave my heart open, it stays right here empty for days. She told me in the morning she don't feel the same about it in her bones. Seems to me that when I die, these words will be written in the stone. And I'll be gone tonight. Ground beneath my feet is open wide. With my big hold on too tight. Nothing in between. Story of my life, I take her home. Travel night to keep her warm in time. It's frozen. The story of my life, I give her home. Spend her love until she's found inside. The story of my life. Written on these walls are the colors that I can't change. Leave my heart open, but it stays right here in its cage. Know that in the morning now, sees in the light upon the hill. Although I am broken, my heart is still. And I'll be gone tonight. About me, my feet is burning bright. The way that I've been holding on too tight, with nothing in between. The story of my life, I take her home. I travel night to keep her warm in time. It's frozen. The story of my life. I give her home, find her love until she's found inside. The story of my life. And I've been waiting for this time to come around. Baby, running after you, like chasing the clouds. The story of my life, I take her home and drive all night to keep her warm in time. It's frozen. The story of my life, I give her home, I spend her love till she's found inside. The story of my life, the story of my life. The story of my life. Story of my life. I hope you guys like that. I've been getting a lot of good comments on my videos. And let's try to keep it that way. I want to be famous. Okay, that's been my dream for a long time. Bye.